Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I'm going to make a necklace with something that I found on the beach. And it's going to be similar to these. Aren't these cool? All these items I found on the beach and I'm making jewelry out of them. So this is the item. It's a shell fragment. It's been tumbled for probably many years. Could even be 50 or so years. But I'm trying to pick out some waxed cording, this will make it fully waterproof. I could do gray or the brown or the tan. It's really a hard decision. I think I'm going to choose the brown only because we have a distinct variation in colors. The gray and the beige, they look good, but they just kind of blend in, and I want a definite definition. Anyway, here it is all done, and I'm very pleased with it. It's adjustable, and you can wear it to the beach, to the pool. If you never wanted to take it off, you wouldn't have to. If you're interested in any of my one-of-a-kind jewelry, just check out my Tappingflamingobling Etsy shop. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. Thanks for joining me, and let me know, did I make the right decision, or would you have chosen gray or beige? This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.